Hi guys, today we are going to unboxing this Jurassic World toys Indoraptor. Here we have my sister Iris. Hi. And over here is my brother Ilhan.
Hi. A few inches later.
So here is the Indoraptor. It has black with a pretty golden stripes. Okay, so here is the front of the box. It's over here. It has the Jurassic World logo with the dino rival with Indoraptor name over it. And it has Owen with Triceratops, and over there we have T-Rex. And on the side of the box, it has the Indoraptor picture with the logo. And on the other side of the box, it has the Dino Rivals logo. At the back of the box, it has the Jurassic World logo with the picture of the Indoraptor standing. And it includes one collector's card. So up here, it has the logo of the Facts app. So let's open it. God.
A few moments later.
Super possible. She can open her mouth, twisting its tail, and the arms can move, the feet, the tail. Gorgeous, super awesome. I really like the golden stripes. At the bottom of the Indoraptor feet, it has this dino marker, which is we can scan it. Got it. Here's it, the Indoraptor. Now let's see size comparison between Indoraptor and Blue. So Blue is like the size of her tail, almost. And the Indoraptor is way bigger than Blue. Look at it. It's giant. It's like so small. See the comparison size of Indoraptor and Carnotaurus. So Carnotaurus is bigger than her, but almost the Indoraptor is almost same size as the Carnotaurus. I think you can make her same size. That's it for our unboxing today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!